So this is how we used to unbox vinyl. Take a box off the skid, totally remove the contents of the box, and put the loose vinyl and sleeves onto a cart. These boxes can weigh up to 70 pounds, so it was pretty heavy work, and the vinyl is sort of unmanageable once it got into a cart in loose form. So Eric and Aaron devised a new way of doing this. We have one central location in the warehouse where we take vinyl in a whole pallet form. Then we unload the boxes off the pallet onto this conveyor, and then those boxes are moved down the line, and there's a person at the end of the line unboxing, or rather opening those boxes and placing them onto a cart. We have a pallet lifter, so we never have to bend over to pick something up, which is great because it prevents injuries. And the system is very clean, very efficient. In the past, there would be boxes all over the floor, and it was a pretty messy affair. So now we've got this thing very lean, very tidy, and much safer. And we can now stage jobs safely way in advance of when we're going to assemble them. So the vinyl will come in, we'll unbox it, put it on the carts, and store it, and as soon as all the components arrive, we're ready to go. So this is much leaner than the old process,